cycle of watching educational videos but never really getting anywhere? In this video, I dive into the frustrations of learning on platforms like YouTube, jumping from one video to the next but still feeling like you're not making progress. Let's break down the cycle of overconsumption, lack of structure, and the all too familiar feeling of being lost in the sea of information. Stay tuned for more in the series where I'll share practical tips for getting back on track and finding clarity in your learning journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the series. In the pursuit of learning new skills or gathering knowledge, especially through platforms like YouTube, we often fall into a frustrating cycle. We jump from video to video, each promising something new, yet much of the content ends up being repetitive, simply repackaged under different titles. Instead of building a clear understanding, we're left with fragmented insights and no real structure. I remember this one time when I spent an entire weekend watching videos about digital marketing. I thought I was absorbing everything, but by the end, I realized I had no clear plan, no steps to follow, and no actionable skills. I felt stuck. The process isn't linear or focused. We save videos, take scattered notes, and revisit the same ideas over and over. Our digital spaces become cluttered with summaries, bookmarks, and half-finished ideas, all in the hope of turning this information into income or finding a breakthrough. But rarely do we move from learning to doing. Over time, the sheer volume of repeated content becomes overwhelming. We keep trying to capture and condense it, hoping that one day it will all click into something valuable. But without a clear path forward, the notes get deleted, the files get lost, and we are left with the realization that we've spent hours, even days, absorbing information, but took no real action. And even when we do find that moment of clarity, a promising idea, a sudden breakthrough, a spark of inspiration, we're quickly met with the weight of reality. There's no capital to bring it to life, no clear way to pitch it, and no roadmap for how to approach the right people without exposing how limited our resources really are. That gap between vision and means becomes paralyzing. Thoughts of starting fresh somewhere else begin to surface, but the means to make a move aren't there either. So we stay stuck, caught between hope and hesitation, as time quietly slips by. Can you relate? Drop a comment below and share your experience. How many videos have you watched hoping they lead you to that breakthrough moment? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and watch part 2 of the series on understanding the root causes.